Hello, friends! Welcome back to Webronaq. Today, I'm going to explain one of the most important concepts in C programming, the if-else statement. And to make it super easy to understand, I've got a simple little program right here on the screen. Let me walk you through it line by line, and by the end, you'll know exactly how if-else works. All right, so what is if-else? In simple words, it's how your program makes decisions, just like in real life. If it's raining, take an umbrella, else just walk out normally. That's exactly how C thinks too. Now look at the code on the screen. At the very top, we have include/stdio.h. This is just a standard header file that lets us use input and output functions like printf and scanf. Think of it as turning on the tools we need before we start working. Next, we have int main. This is where every C program begins. It's the main door to your program. Inside it, we've declared a variable called number of type int, which just means it will hold a whole number, no decimals. Then comes printf enter a number. This line simply shows a message on the screen asking the user to type a number. And right after that, scanf/%d, and number grabs whatever number the user types and stores it inside our variable. Now here comes the real magic, the if-else block. Look at line 9. If number is greater than 0. This is the condition. The program is asking, is the number greater than 0? If the answer is yes, it runs the line inside the curly braces. Printf, the number is positive. But what if the number is not greater than 0? That's where else steps in. The else block on line 11 says, okay, if that condition was false, just do this instead. And it prints the number is negative or 0. So basically, the program checks one condition, and based on whether it's true or false, it picks one of the two paths. Only one of them will run, never both. Pretty simple, right? And finally, return 0 just tells the program, hey, everything went well, we're done here. So that's the whole idea of if-else in C. It's just your program's way of making a choice between two options based on a condition. Once you get this, you've unlocked one of the building blocks of programming logic.
So there you have it, friends. That's the if-else statement in C, explained in the simplest way possible. Just remember the rule. If a condition is true, the first block runs. Else, the second block runs. Only one of them executes, never both. This one small concept is the foundation of almost every decision your programs will ever make, from checking passwords to validating user input to building complex logic in big software. Master this, and you've taken a huge step forward in your C programming journey. If this video helped you understand if-else, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Webronaq for more beginner-friendly tutorials, and drop a comment below telling me what topic you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.